Hey Bikes and Blades fans, I want to share a little technical tip with you, or some information that I generated just for my own reference, because when I'm recording my videos I want to know what equipment works well and what doesn't. As you may know, I have a GoPro Max 360 camera, and I've been using this to capture video when I go out and ride my bike, and I've used it for other purposes too. Like I've shot video at home with it, and it works pretty well, and actually I'm pretty impressed with it in a lot of ways. But it's not without its limitations. One of the things that maybe is not so great about this is the audio quality when you're riding. It's amazing that it picks up what it does, but it also picks up a lot of road noise, a lot of vibration, a lot of wind noise. So I also have a Zoom F1-LP lav mic recorder, and this is just a little self-contained audio recorder that you can clip to your belt and start it up, and it's got a lavalier mic that you clip to your shirt, and this gets really great audio. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to compare the audio between the GoPro Max and the Zoom F1-LP while I'm riding and see how they sound. So I went out and I rode and I captured video with the 360 camera and audio with the F1-LP at the same time, and now I'm going to show you side-by-side comparison of what those two sound like. So I'm just going to kind of run the video and switch back and forth between the GoPro native audio and the audio that I captured with the lav mic. And this might be useful to you guys who are also recording for YouTube channels or whatever else, or maybe just as a technical piece of information for anybody who's using a GoPro Max to do vlogging, that kind of thing. So let's jump right into it and I'll show you the video. And let's see how this audio works. I'm trying the lav mic with the Zoom recorder. Head down this hill. We'll see if the lav mic audio is any better than the GoPro audio. Got a lot of wind. And a lot of background noise from cars and trucks. So we'll see how this sounds. This hill always seems really short on the way down, but not so much on the way back up. So now I got a good headwind going. I'm going 33 miles an hour. See how this sounds. Hopefully the lav mic picks up my voice okay. And a little furry cover might reduce wind noise. We'll see. These are going to be tough conditions, I think. Alright, bottom of the hill. I'm going to pause and stop recording. Alright, I'm going a lot slower now, like 15 miles an hour, but I got some wood wind blowing in my face, so we'll see how this sounds. I also moved the mic closer to my mouth on my jersey. Yeah, so hopefully this sounds better. We'll see how this compares to the native GoPro audio. Okay, trying again. I think I'm pushing other buttons on my F1-LP, so we'll see. But this is a shaded stretch here, a little bit of headwind, but kind of blocked by the trees. And this will give me a direct comparison with the vlog I recorded the other day, coming down this same stretch of road. So we'll see how it sounds. I'm gonna leave this recording go until I crest this little hill up here, I think. All right, good enough. All right, I'm gonna pause now. Okay, so I hope that was helpful to you. Just a side-by-side comparison of the audio captured with the GoPro Max and the F1-LP lav mic recorder with a little furry cover on the mic. And I hope this information was useful to you. It would be nice if we could do like a side-by-side where you could choose what you're listening to at any given point. Sort of like if we compare video side-by-side, it's really easy. You can put one on the left, one on the right, and see which one is which. With audio, it's not so easy. Maybe if there's interest, I could do a video where I mix the GoPro audio down to mono and put it in one channel and put the Zoom F1-LP in the other channel, left and right. So if that's of interest, let me know. Maybe I can make that video. But for now, hopefully this was helpful. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And I'll catch you in the next one.